Hello, welcome back. Today we are doing a makeup video. We haven't done one in a while, so I'm super excited to show you how I got this bold lipped look. I just wiped my face completely clean with Neutrogena wipe because those are one of my faves, and I am going to put some primer on and we'll get going. So we are going to start with the Glow Enhancer from Giorgio Armani. It's definitely still one of my favorites. It's just a nice base to have on your skin before you put anything else on. All right, now that we got the glow base on, then you can just like really see that my face slash skin looks a lot more like plump and ready to be primed. I'm using the It Cosmetics CC cream. I like this one a lot just because it's light and really gives me an even base. As you know, I don't always use foundation, but I thought that for this look, it might be a good idea because then I have like a really even skin tone. Oh, all right, so now that I have a blank canvas, I'm gonna add a bit of the Touche Eclat. Basically, you can't see it on there because it's so gold. I'm gonna use a mirror for this just because I feel like the camera is too far away. I'm gonna put some on my nose. It's been a while since I've used this one, so I'm gonna make sure some stuff still comes out. So I'm gonna put it here, kind of right here, even on the other side. And yeah, just smooth that in. You can kind of see that's already like catching the light. This is the face so far. So next I'm going to use the Chanel Beauty Baume Essential in transparent. So it's this guy. Looks like that. I use this guy like almost on a daily basis, not as heavily as I will now, but I love it. So I'm gonna put this guy like really gloss it on my lids. Because that's like the wet look that I really want to go for. You can really see that. I think it's really cool. Like, it looks so cool. So now you can see my lids are all glossy. And then I am also going to build it up here. So you see that. I am obsessed with this balm. Like, everything just catches it so beautifully. So yeah, this is so fun. I'm obsessed. All right, so we are going to brush my brows because I'm not putting any brow powder or brow pencils on with this look. So I just want my brows to be really clean. All right, we're almost done. It's a pretty simple process if I can get the lip right. So we're gonna use a Bite lip pencil in number 74, which I haven't used before, as you can see. Okay, so now the lip liner's done, I'm gonna fill it in. So this is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Liquified Lip in Flambe. So I'm gonna fill my lip in. All right, so this is the lip. I am obsessed with it. And then last but not least, I can't decide if I want to do any mascara or not. I think I might just do a hint. So I'm gonna do CoverGirl Exhibitionist. It's one of my favorites as well. Just a light touch. The one thing with the balm is your hair gets stuck on it because it's a little sticky. I'm also just going to quickly comb my hair because my hair is always getting knotted and staticky. So I will fix that before I show you the final look. Slash you can see it anyways, but you know what I mean. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really like this bold lip for spring and summer, especially keeping everything else on your face super clean and super glowy is a really fun way to go, I think, this year. And let me know if you have any questions. I will leave all the product I use below, and like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you very soon.